Do you want to know how to change your name or your username in the Clubhouse app? Then this video is for you. I am going to share my screen, show you exactly what you have to do to change your name and or your username in the Clubhouse app. This works on iPhone and on Android. Let's go.
Okay, so here's what you need to do. You need to go to Clubhouse, obviously, and then you tap your profile picture. And then basically all you need to do is tap your name. Look what happens when I tap my name. It gives me this option, okay? I can correct my legal name, so I can change my name, or I can add my creator alias. That's if you kind of well-known person, right? Now be careful, you can only do this once, okay? So I'm going to do never mind because I don't want to do it. The other thing you can do is click this, tap this, and that, as you can see, gives you the option to change your username, okay? But again, you can only change this once. So please only change it if you're sure, okay? And don't get it wrong, because you won't be able to change it again. That is basically how it's done. The option is now available on Android as well. Exactly the same way, you do exactly the same thing. Go on Clubhouse, tap your name or tap the username, and you can only change this once.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give the video a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Now, before you go, just make sure you remember this. You are only able to change your name or your username once, only once. So make sure you get it right. Now, if you have any other questions about Clubhouse, if you're stuck, you don't know how to do this or that, then please make sure you post your question in the comments below this video. I will research it and make a video for you. Now, if you are on Clubhouse, I bet you will be interested in watching this video next. Bye for now.